Happy 9 months. I don't want to play anymore. Too much. She's already 9 months old today. Hmm? You see? Bed. Bed. Good girl. She's on the bed, but she still wants to play. Time check is already 6:30 in the evening, and she's already eat her dinner and open bowels. How are you today? Happy 9 months, Missy, 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 Missy. Look what you've done to my jumper. Oh my God. We just had a walk before dinner, and now she's energetic again. No more. Oh, what's that? Oh, what's that? Now we're gonna have a look what she's done already. This is she already done 9 months. She's already 9 months today. That one. So this couch is already only her alone. That one. What else? This one. This one. All the sides. And this is all her hair. Because she's white, it doesn't show enough. And this is her bed. So during the night, she usually sleep there. And look at her. Oh my God. She's very naughty today. I don't know why. I don't want to play with her. Look at her. She's following me. What did you do? Yes. So I don't know what her kilo already, but the last time it's already 26 kilo for 9 months. So this is her toys. Oh my God, this is 50 cents. It's been there for maybe 6 months or 7 months, which is good. Because the others like this one 6 cents, $6. And still ongoing. This one's also $6. She has a lot of toys. Her water station, and this is the one. See, she usually do pee there and open her bowels. Look at her. I don't know what she wants. What do you want? Now she wants to play. Give. Mama. I'm gonna play. Give it to me. Give it to me. You don't want to give it. How are we gonna play? Put in my legs. That's the sign that she wants to be played. Oh, drop. Sit. Good girl. Is Missy good girl? High five. Oh, good. That's it. She follow and she's behave when we have a treat beside us. How are you? High five. High five. High five. She's tired. High five. No more. Give. Drop. Sit. Good girl. Okay. Hip. High five. Yeah, maybe because of the clothes, it's a bit tight already. She's really happy on that thing. And then she gonna put on my legs. But if I gonna grab it and get it, she doesn't like it. Give it to me. She's just gonna give it if we have a treat. See? Sit down. Sit. High five. High five. Good. Happy 9 months. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Yep. Bye!